Hi, I'm Jordan from Stafford, and this is the Ford Fiesta EcoBoost ST line, and it is a 1 litre petrol manual. Now, this car is part of our Motormatched approved vehicles, which means it comes with a 30-day warranty or up to 1,000 miles, whichever one does come first. So if you like the look at this car so far and you'd like to find out a little bit more about it, they can give us a call on 01785 899 474. Now in this video today, I'm going to take you on a 360 walk around of both the interior and the exterior, and then I'm going to get into some of them high-tech features. So starting on your exterior, you have got your halogen projector headlights with LED daytime running lights. This adds a high-tech look to the exterior and truly does complement the sporty overall look of the vehicle. Now continuing down your sides, you have also got your 17-inch alloy wheels and an ST line 5-spoke design. This brings out the blue exterior colouring as well as complementing your rear privacy glass. Now this not only adds to the look of the vehicle, but it also keeps any possessions stored in the rear seats or in the boot super safe. Now going into the rear seats, you can see that it is a 3-door, so you'll have to pull either the driver's seat or passenger seat forward to gain access to your rear seats. They are made out of a full black cloth with a dynamic trim which runs across the back. This adds a stylish look to the interior while also providing the utmost comfort for both driver and passengers. Now again, as this is a compact car, there is still loads of boot space available, and I'm going to show you that now. So the way to lift up the boot is to click the button underneath your Ford badging, and it easily lifts up to reveal a spacious area. Now this will be ideal for transporting large objects such as luggage when going away on holiday, or even items such as prams. It can all comfortably fit. If you do need any extra room though, you can fold your rear seats forward to give you an extended boot, and it allows for even more storage space. Some more information included with this car is that it's only had 2 previous owners, and you can see they have kept it in a fabulous condition. Now going into interior, you have got that carbon fibre look trim which runs across your dashboards and also on your door panelling. And just like in the rear seats, you have got the full black cloth seating, again with that dynamic trim which brings all of the little details of this car together while also making the experience for both driver and front passenger even more exciting. Now that was the end of the 360 walk around of both the interior and the exterior. It is now time to get into some of them high-tech features. So going back into your interior and on your driver's side, you have front electric window controls which are easily accessible on your driver's door. You've also got a multifunction steering wheel where you can control different aspects of the car all from one place, and all without even needing to take your hands off the steering wheel, showing the driver has full control at all times. Now just above the steering wheel, you have got your driver display, and this is where any relevant information driver needs to know will be shown, such as the current mileage, which is now at 30,764 miles. Now mileage shown is subject to test drives and or demonstration miles. You can also use the buttons on your multifunction steering wheel to go through all the different displays available. This tailors it even more to the driver and also allows you to go through all the different information available. Moving on to the main digital display which can be found on your dashboard. This is where all the main features of the car can be found and even controlled. Now one of the features included is your reliable navigation system. This means that travelling to new destinations has never been easier, and because it is a touchscreen, you can use your finger to move the map itself as well as put down new waypoints. Another feature included is your Bluetooth telephone connectivity. Now this allows you to make or receive calls and all without even needing to pick your phone up. So it ensures the driver is fully focused on the road ahead at all times and not tempted to play with their phone while driving. You have also got a DAB, FM and AM radio stations available. This allows you to choose the different stations to find the best one for you. Continuing down your centre console, you have got your climate control. Now this way you can adjust your temperature, airflow and even your fan positioning to tailor it to the driver or passengers. Just below that, you have also got your media input as well as your parking brake and cup holders, and this car even comes with a spacious centre storage. Now thank you for watching this video on the Ford Fiesta EcoBoost ST line, which is now available at Motormatched Stafford. Again, this is a Motormatched approved vehicle, which means it comes with a 30-day warranty or up to 1,000 miles, whichever one does come first. We also offer RSC extended warranty of up to 3 years, which is available with most of our cars, and you can even get flexible finance packages tailored specifically to you. Also, all Motormatched vehicles are subject to £150 administration fee, and included in this is a provenance check. For a personalised quote or to book a test drive, you can contact us on 01785 899 474, and a member of our sales team will be more than happy to help.